more speed, more visibility, and more visitors, all with a single mouse click. Sounds too good to be true, but that's how it is. Hello, my name is Tanya, and welcome to this video. The most important question first. What exactly is SEOZING? It's an online service that connects to your website and ensures that content is delivered faster. Files are checked and optimized. For example, images are compressed to reduce file size, HTML errors are fixed, missing alt tags for images are generated, and meta titles and descriptions are added or improved. Additionally, extensive keyword research is conducted for text, and the respective text is semantically optimized by our AI. Optionally, our system can also optimize the URLs of your website. This leads to better rankings in search engines, more organic traffic, meaning more visitors, and all of this with just a few mouse clicks. Let's take a look at how it all works now. To do this, we log into SEOZING and take a look at our test domain. Once you have connected your website to SEOZING, our AI begins analyzing your website and generates optimization suggestions. These are available per URL within a few minutes. The easiest way to apply these changes is through our recommendations section. Here, we can see that some alt tags for images are missing important information for search engines. Our AI automatically analyzes the content of the images and generates appropriate alt tags from it. Additionally, SEOZING provides a suggestion for the metadata of this page. Let's take a closer look at the details. The previous title was quite short, and SEOZING has optimized it. There was no meta description before, but one has now been created based on extensive keyword research. To apply these changes, simply click the button, and the changes are live. There's also a suggestion for text adjustments. Here, we see the old text, and directly below it, the suggestion from our system. It's clear to see the text is more structured, and thanks to the keyword research, it has better semantics, which Google rates more highly. Here, too, we can simply click Apply. Further down, we see additional technical issues with the URL, such as an oversized CSS file, which SEOZING reduced from 560 kilobytes to 147 kilobytes. Similarly, the images were reduced from 380 kilobytes to 226 kilobytes. This reduces the loading time, which also leads to better Google rankings. If you want to work in more detail, you can make adjustments based on a single URL. In this case, let's take a closer look at the SEO URL. Once you click on the URL, the content of that page is loaded and displayed directly. Our system has automatically identified text sections, which are clearly visible here. You can click on them to access an editor to edit the text. Here, we see the suggestion created by SEOZING. You can make manual changes in the editor and preview them directly on the website. Your changes are thus immediately visible on the website. If you're satisfied with the result, click Publish, and the new text is live. If you click on Settings, you get an overview of all possible measures. For example, if you enable JavaScript minification, you can see the impact on the required resources right next to it. Additionally, you can calculate the resulting page speed score and compare it with the original values. On the far right, we see an evaluation of the text content before and after. It's clear that the text quality has significantly improved with the system's suggestions. If you don't want to make these changes per URL, you can also apply all optimizations centrally for the entire domain. In this section, the same functions are available as when editing a single URL, but the changes apply to the entire website. Specifically for agencies, there's a clear overview of all changes made. We can see per URL which optimizations were applied and their impact on the respective file size. Additionally, we see the changes in metadata and a list of all search terms used for text optimization. This allows every agency to provide their clients with a comprehensive report. SEOZING offers a free 7-day trial period. We'd be delighted to welcome you soon. Thank you for your interest.